Today is 30th November 2024. From the first heavens to the last heavens, there is peace and unity. We have united all the heavens. Evil started from the first heavens because my brother was fighting against me and all the gods wanted a demigod. So they gave me their wives. And some of the women got pregnant. They killed them and shared their soul and their power so that all of them can give birth to demigod in the name of greed. Today there is peace. Those who was used in the upper realm, such as my mother, the Hindu god, the half-human, half-snake, Enlil, known as Lucifer, Enki, known as Yahweh. Their crimes and their evil have been struck out. I know you sent Lord Shiva to arrest him. He too was manipulated to take my eye through challenge and kill me and put my hands in the documents and own himself a planet. A planet that is not for you, you cannot own it. If we have made peace, the way we treat each other with envy, that we think we can steal somebody, a pregnant woman's life, her unborn child and her soul, because they are demigods, then we say we are living forever. That do not work anywhere. If we are finally united in peace, let's stop our way of life, especially Enki, known as Yahweh. He sent some of the aliens with dragonfly wings and angels to come and shoot me. The angel chose to protect me instead of shooting me because he realized the words I say is the duty of every god to follow. So Angel Michael chose to protect me. Why do you have to kill someone for something that is not for you? You are not different from an armed robber. The humans worship us. We teach them to do good deeds and be righteous and be compassionate. If we ourselves are killing people to take what belongs to them, then what difference are we to judge the humans and put them in hellfire and burn them? Some of the gods in the upper realm who is sitting on a stone throne told me, my Hindu gods people, they deserve to be punished than anyone. It's true. I remember when the time I was there, they injected me twice and my penis was sweeping the floor.